Say good morning, Fizz.
Good morning.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look at this on my face. Oh, look who is home and have sleep face. No, honey, that face needs to go and wash right now. Look at the sleep in his eyes. You can tell he just rolled out of it, right? Anyway, you guys, it is bright and early Friday morning. Yeah, Fizz, see you. And Tyler is ready for school. We're heading out in a bit to drop him to school. And there is so much noise in the house already at almost at a little after 8 a.m. Because they actually started the kitchen yesterday. They started the kitchen yesterday. They already started installing. They have a few little adjustments to make here and there, but they're on their way, and the house is a complete mess. But I guess it have to get messy before it gets better. The house is a mess. There's a lot of noise in the house, but our kitchen is well on its way and we're pretty excited. Oh, you hear that noise? So there's two guys in the house right now that start installing. I know my neighbors hate me so much because the machine that they're doing is so loud. Yeah, the door is closed. I'm happy that Tyler will be at school and it's not a Saturday where Tyler will be home. Yes, Ty?
Look, my police car.
Wow. But as you can, yes, Ty? As you guys can hear, my voice is not doing so bad. Yes, Ty?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police car.
Wow, good job. So like I was saying, that the honey and lemon is helping Thailand, so we're not doing too bad. But back to the kitchen, as soon as I can show you guys a little of what is going on in that little space, then I'll show you guys. But right now I am heading out to take Tyler to school and all that good stuff. But yeah, let me see if I can catch a peek to show you guys where they are right now and what's going on around there.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
this one.
Yeah. So these are some of the cupboard things in the hallway. That's the mess around there. That's all the things here. And they already start putting up the countertop. And the fridge is off. So they're well on their way. It's kind of cool. So they're working, shoddy. Right, so that's the idea of what is happening in the living room right now. It's just a complete mess. But anyway, the kitchen will be well on its way. It's on its way. It's happening, y'all. It's happening today. Ooh, that coal. I just give him some lime and honey. So, are you ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's get your jacket on first. All right, let's go. Come on. You have fruits there at school today, okay? And Mama gonna give you your fruits to carry. Come. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Here. Go. Bonjour. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Go on. Bye-bye. See you later. I think that at Tyler's school they're going to have them to taste, because this week is the week of tasting. So they ask us to carry 1 or 2 more fruits. They give us a list. So Tyler has strawberries and apple. So he's pretty excited about tasting the rest of the fruits that his friend's gonna carry. Anyway, you guys, I'm hustling to go back to the house, even though Babe took the day off from work, because I have work later. That way he can stay with the guys at the house that's working. So back to the kitchen right now. Some of the drawers are in. Some of those are up. We're on their way. Oh no, not at all. It looks okay. It looks okay. I'm happy that I painted it. I'm happy I painted it. Oh yeah, we're gonna put the board in, so that'll be okay. Oh yeah. I'm putting the board wooden floor. It looks pretty. Oh yeah, they'll finish in no time. Almost done. It's a good thing he started yesterday because he had a lot to do yesterday. Coming along.
Moment à 2 litres, 4 cases, des autres.
The dishwasher gonna go here. Dishwasher space. Sink space and oven space. It's already looking good. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Jeez. You guys, today is solely about the kitchen. Jeez, that big mosquito just go whoops. You guys, it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm so excited. We are so excited, you guys. As you guys can see, the microwave is in. The fridge is in. The dishwasher is not in as yet. The sink is not in as yet. All those cupboards up there are in. And from here, go right around. There's cupboards. Oh my gosh. The guys just took a break from working. The house is a complete mess. Just look at all that mess. All that mess. The house is just a mess, but that's the least of our problem right now. The kitchen is coming along so nicely. The space just looks huge. It opens up and everything is just coming together so nicely. We are so excited. And I also think that we got a deal to put up the cupboards that we took out from the kitchen on the wall around there. So I think we're gonna sort that out today, but let's see how that goes. But anyway, I'm just giving you guys a quick update. We're gonna grub before they come back and try and clean up these cupboards too. So just giving you guys a quick update on what's going on right now. Yeah, so the kitchen is coming along pretty well. Kitchen is ready. Our kitchen is ready. You guys, our kitchen is ready. Are you guys ready to see our kitchen? Ooh. I'm crazy. Are you guys ready to see our kitchen? You see, you see, you see. Ooh, you see, you see, you see. Ooh. All right, you guys ready to see it? Let's go show you the kitchen. Let's go show you the kitchen. Before I show you the kitchen, give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you haven't, subscribe right now. And if your notification is not on, turn on your notification right now. Let's go see the kitchen. Tyler, what you want to tell Mama about the kitchen? Tyler, come here. You like the kitchen?
Yes.
What you want to tell Mama?
I want to have you have this kitchen.
You want to help me to do what?
The kitchen.
You want to help me in the kitchen?
Yes.
What is in your face? What is in his forehead? Guess what?
I'm gonna help you.
Guess what?
A kitten for me.
A candle for you. Do you know who this candle come from?
Yes.
No, you don't. Who is it from? Huh? That's from Auntie Avery. Yeah, you're gonna open it. You guys, a Jamaican subscriber sent Tyler a gift and he's so excited to open it. Let me hide her address. I recently told you guys to go and subscribe. Give it to Papa. I recently told you guys to go and subscribe to Avery and Sima's channel, and Avery and Sima sent Tyler a gift and he's so excited to open it. He's just ripping it apart. Open it, Ty, baby, open it more because the plastic in it, he won't be able to take it out like that.
Allez, use les deux mains. Allez, voilà. Allez, tiens.
Wow, you like it? It's pretty. What is it?
A bag.
Yeah. Look at him putting it on. Ooh, bye bye. You like it?
Yes.
Say thank you, Avery and Simas.
Thank you, even small.
Thank you guys. As you guys can see, Tyler is in his bag. He put it on right away. Anyway, you guys, if you guys want to see the kitchen tour from start to finish, you guys have to wait and see tomorrow's vlog. So subscribe and turn on the notification and you'll see tomorrow's vlog of the entire kitchen tour in depth. But our kitchen is awesome. We love it. Ready to cook. You guys, look what happened. Comfy as can be. Sleeping. Ty? He's gone. You guys, babe and I actually just finished packing out the kitchen. Babe and I just finished packing out the kitchen. We pack out everything and it's still looking cute. But of course I will show you guys because tomorrow is 11 o'clock.
Yes.
No wonder why he fall asleep. Because we're here working and we're like, okay, it's the weekend, let him stay up. And it's 11 p.m. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, I am just going to sign out the vlog here because I'm not feeling so well, as you guys can hear my nose. I'm going to just tell you guys thanks for watching, and of course tomorrow the kitchen tour will be up, so be sure you guys catch it and hopefully you guys enjoy your little excitement with us. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam. We love you guys and thanks for tagging along this journey with us. There's a lot more to come in our house renovation, so don't go anywhere. Just turn on your notification and stay tuned to our daily vlogs. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow.